Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Outlook. Make sure you're signed into the original account so recovery targets the right mailbox. First, switch to People View and show the folder pane so you can see contact folders. If you use Exchange or Office 365, deleted items are tracked server-side. That's important. Once done, select the account's contacts folder. This focuses searches and recovery tools. Make sure autocomplete and cached exchange mode are set how they were, because restoring will rehydrate local lists. Now look in deleted items. Recover any contacts you see with a right-click or move to Contacts. If nothing appears, use the Recover Deleted Items tool, found on the Folder tab for Exchange/Office 365. This exposes items purged from deleted items but still recoverable on the server for a retention window. Search by name, email, or partial text to narrow results. Select one or many, then click Recover to return them to contacts. Make sure to confirm they reappear in the correct folder before continuing. If server recovery fails, export or import a PSD backup or request a mailbox restore from IT that brings back older contact snapshots. You can also recover autocomplete entries from the NK2/DAT cache or by syncing with Outlook. COM if you used that connection. Once recovered, audit contacts, merge duplicates, fill missing fields, and test sending to critical addresses. If something still goes wrong, check retention settings and contact your admin immediately. The retention window often decides whether recovery is possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.